Hello, my name is Claire McDaniel. I currently attend Indiana University, and my current major is elementary education. If I do get to pick a grade, I would definitely pick kindergarten. I don't really have a specific subject I want to teach, but currently I am minoring in history. Um, this is my e-portfolio. It showcases everything that I have done throughout the Education W200 course. This is the About Me page. So, my beliefs as an educator are pretty simple. I believe in equal opportunities for everyone. I believe that every child deserves to have the same opportunities, regardless of race, class, or socioeconomic status. And I also believe that each child deserves to have at least one advocate that cherishes them and their academic success. Um, my beliefs on integrating technology into the classroom. I believe that it is really imperative to incorporate technology into our classrooms, especially because our society is advancing so rapidly. This will allow our children to be more engaged and more prepared for the future. And I also believe that instead of being afraid of these technological advances, we should embrace them and teach our students how to create, explore, and integrate technology into their everyday lives. Um, Throughout the class, we had to create badges. So basically, here are 10 badges that I had to create throughout the course. And I'm going to show you a few. So, first off, this is a picto chart. So basically, it's an infographic. And these are a pretty cool tool to use because you can just put all the information in one place and incorporate it into any lesson plan. Um, this is a Kahoot badge. So if you don't know about Kahoot, Kahoot is an online quizzing system that you can play by yourself or you can play in a group. So you make questions. This one is about math. So some of the questions are, what is 2 plus 1? Keep in mind that this is for kindergarten. And just make it according to your standards. And yeah, it's a really fun, interactive way to get students involved and track their progress as they go along. This is a production badge. So basically, I used iMovie to create a video that I could possibly send to students. This, I'll show you a little clip. This is just going along with that same math standard. It talks about how we can incorporate
Think about that for a second.
math into our everyday lives. And then also, here is a product called S'more. It basically gives you the opportunity to reach out to parents and or guardians about what is going on in class, how they can get involved. You can put links to assignments or tests that they may have coming up. So that is a really cool badge to utilize if you did not already know about it. Back to this portfolio. I never thought that I would use technology in my classroom, but after taking this course, I realized that it really is imperative and necessary to student success in our society. So, yeah, I really appreciate the W200 course. At first, I was a little nervous. I didn't really know what to expect, but as the course went through, I really understood what they were trying to get us to understand, and I had a lot of fun making a lot of cool new like technology artifacts, and yeah, so thank you for visiting my website and for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it.